Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem. Just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So, the problem that I'm going to be attempting today is number 2960, count tested devices after test operations. So, let's read out the description here. You're given a zero-indexed integer array battery percentages, having length n denoting the battery percentages of n zero-indexed devices. Your task is to set each device I in order from 0 to n minus 1 by performing the following test operations. If the index is greater than 0, increment in the count of tested devices. Decrease the battery percentage of all devices with indices j in range I plus 1 to n minus 1 by 1, ensuring their battery percentages never goes below 0, and then move to the next device. Otherwise, move to the next device without performing any test. So here, 1 is obviously greater than 0. So we go to the rest of them and decrement it by 1. So we have 0, 1, 0, 2. Then we go to the next one, which is now 0, so we don't do anything. The next one is going to be 1. So we decrement this one here. And then we go to the next one, which is going to be 0, so we don't do anything. Then we end up on 1, which is greater than 0. So we increment it by 1. We've got none left. So the answer is 3. Constraints. There's going to be between 1 and 100 batteries to test, and each battery will have between 0 and 100%, I guess. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll just go to our notes. So for this, ideas, we definitely need to iterate over the list of batteries. Next thing we need to do is, once we've iterated over the list of batteries, we need to check well, we don't, so iterate over the list of batteries. Yeah, iterate over the list of batteries for each battery. If the battery is greater than 0, then if the battery is greater than 0, then increment total batteries by 1. So increment total batteries by 1. Then we're going to loop through remaining batteries. Decrement the battery by 1 if it is not 0. And then we're going to return total batteries. So let's try and implement this. We go here, put in our comments here. So we want a total batteries, which is going to start off with 0. We'll have a current underscore battery. And we need amount of batteries as well. So that's going to be the length of battery percentages. And we want to iterate over the list of batteries. So for battery in range amount underscore of underscore batteries. So for each battery, we're going to check if battery percentages at index battery is greater than 0. If it is greater, we're going to do, if it is greater, we're going to increment this by 1. Then what we're going to do is we're going to do for remaining in range current underscore battery to amount underscore of underscore batteries. So for the remaining batteries, what we're going to do is if battery percentages at index remaining is not equal to 0, what we're going to do is we're going to decrement it by 1. Okay, and then what we're going to do is here we're going to do current. In fact, we don't need to. We could just say from battery here actually, we don't need this current battery, we've got that being tracked. And then we can just return total underscore batteries. Hit run. These two test cases get accepted, let's submit. And accepted. So that was actually a bit simpler than I initially thought. So thank you very much for watching the video. I hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please leave a comment. I love discussing these problems and their solutions. Yeah, thank you once again for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day.